This is a skid steer, commonly used for moving around big objects, dirt, snow in the winter. It's on a car lot right now, mainly used for plowing snow during the winter months. Inside the hood of the skid steer we have the prime mover, which powers the pump, which is further behind the prime mover. We will attach a picture at the end of the video. Here is a directional control valve. This controls which way the fluid is moving, into the pump or out. The reservoir, which holds the hydraulic oil for the pump. The conductors, which lead into the pistons and actuate the boom, which then turns into mechanical power and moves things around.